It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithms, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. This video is all about one of the easiest and most dramatic ways to transform a room by using wallpaper. Wallpaper is available in hundreds, if not thousands, of designs and can fit in any design style. The wallpaper I'm focusing on in this video is my absolute favorite for the Afro Boho design style. It's grass cloth wallpaper. It's a woven wallpaper and comes in a variety of colors and textures and will give a room that unique wow factor. I've got 4 room samples filled with amazing ideas and tips. Let's go! The first room is a living room in a 1925 bungalow. I transformed this room from stark white walls and red brick fireplace to a gorgeous wall color called hematite and paired it with this rich, moody, dark-toned, spice-colored grass cloth wallpaper. Just like wall paint, wallpaper, including grass cloth, will look different, the color tone, depending upon the light. I hung this wallpaper on the wall where it would go so that I could see it at different times of the day. You want to make sure you're going to love it no matter what time of day it is. Grass cloth is applied to your wall using a paste that goes on the back. I'm pretty darn good at hanging peel and stick wallpaper, but in this case, I hired a professional because I wanted this to have that extra special professional touch. After it was hung, I painted the fireplace a stunning shade of black, and voila! I designed this living room using the Afro Boho design style. There are 5 main characteristics of the Afro Boho design style. To learn more, I dropped the link to my video about that subject in the description box below. Definitely check it out. One of the great features about grass cloth wallpaper is it adds a natural element into any room. I can't tell you the number of times people have said, "Can I touch the wall?" It's inviting, warm, and definitely welcoming. Next up, room number 2. This home is a 1940s colonial, and we started completely from scratch. As they say, straight from the studs. For her basement remodel, this homeowner preferred a modern contemporary style, but she wanted natural elements in this space. So I chose a woven natural plant fiber called sisal, which is part of the grass cloth wallpaper family. This wall really functions as a focal point and accent wall in this room. It really adds the wow factor. In this modern contemporary designed room, this accent wall grass cloth wallpaper adds just a touch of that Afro Boho vibe. Grass cloth is a natural, handcrafted wallpaper. It often has unique variations and some irregularities in texture, color, and weave. This wallpaper adds an air of sophistication to any room. Next up, room number 3. For this example, it's a condo with open concept living and dining. This gorgeous charcoal black wallpaper is by Walls Republic and was purchased from Wayfair. Grass cloth can cost a little more, but purchasing from Wayfair is a great way to go to accomplish our custom on a budget goals. The entire condo got a complete makeover, and a standout feature is the grass cloth wall at the center of the room. Not only does grass cloth add texture, it also adds warmth and an additional layer of pattern in any room. Next up, we've got a bedroom, room number 4. In this bedroom, I'm using the same charcoal-colored grass cloth wallpaper. Grass cloth wallpaper is extremely versatile. You can put it in any room, living room, bedroom, entryway, and even in the bathroom. In this Afro Boho design bedroom, the charcoal grass cloth wallpaper is a lovely backdrop. Here's the same bedroom with a couple of different looks. Great ideas to add that Afro Boho element to your own bedroom. Here are a couple of wallpaper tips just in case you don't want to do grass cloth, but you're game to do peel and stick. Peel and stick wallpaper has several benefits, and it fits wonderfully in the custom on a budget philosophy. It's perfect for a rental space, like I used in this apartment redesign. It's also easy to apply and to remove. It's affordable, and it has a variety of styles, textures, and patterns. This peel and stick wallpaper came straight from Amazon. I dropped the link below for your purchase convenience. Check out this pretty dope apartment redesign for a college student. The brick pattern on this peel and stick wallpaper gives this room a sophisticated vibe, an overall loft-like feel, and just a unique factor. You really can't beat that for custom on a budget. My final peel and stick wallpaper example is my own custom art turned into wallpaper. There are several online resources to design and create custom wallpaper. One of my favorites is Spoonflower. Wallpaper is durable. Most papers can last over 15 years, and that makes it really cost effective. In comparison, you would need to paint your walls at least 3 times in that time period. In bathrooms and kitchens, you can use wallpaper that is scrubbable, and wallpaper can hide imperfect walls. So if you want to add a little extra personality to your Afro Boho designed home, my pick is grass cloth wallpaper. Let me know your favorite tip in the comments section below. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY Duo Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.